Welcome back. Why most businesses waste money on marketing and how to fix it. Hi, I'm Richard Dawson. I'm the marketing mentor and I have 25 years of experience of empowering business owners and their teams. I'm a digital marketing specialist. I help businesses use human piloted AI to deliver great marketing. I offer strategy, structure, and results. Now, most businesses waste their marketing budget not because they're not spending enough, but because they're spending it in the wrong places. If you don't fix this, of course, you'll keep burning cash without seeing results. So today I'm going to share with you a simple 3-step framework to make sure your marketing budget delivers real return on investment. So the first step is to define the outcome before spending any money. So most businesses often start with what I call tactical marketing. So that's things like running ads, posting on social media without really knowing what success actually looks like. So ask yourself, what's the one result that I really need from this spend? Be specific about that. So it could be that your goal is brand awareness. It could be that it's sales leads. It could be direct sales. The second step, step 2, is to track and measure everything. If you can't measure something, you can't improve it. So make sure that every marketing effort you have has a clear metric attached. So that might be clicks, conversions, sales calls booked, etc. Cut what's working, cut what's not working, I should say, but double down, of course, on what is. And step 3 is to focus on long-term value, not just the quick wins. So short-term tactics like ads, for example, can get you attention, but it's long-term assets like content, a good email list that will build trust and credibility. Don't just chase the instant wins. Invest in the brand, relationships, and overall visibility. The businesses that do that win because they play the long game. So if you want to stop wasting your marketing budget and build a strategy that actually works, why don't you get in touch with me? You can find me on LinkedIn, over on Facebook, or of course via my website, strategystructureresults.co.uk. It's really going to help me. If you would like, share and comment wherever you see this video, I really appreciate you watching all the way through to the end, and I'll see you next time.